Dear students, we are going to discuss conductance. What is conductance? It is a measure of ease with which current flows through a conductor. It is represented by C. It is reciprocal of the electrical resistance. If R is the resistance, then conductance is C, and C is equal to 1 by R. That means reciprocal of resistance is called conductance. Now, unit of conductance. As we know, C is equal to 1 by R, and we know that R is the resistance. So, the unit of resistance is ohm. So, 1 by ohm, that means per ohm, it can be represented as also per ohm or MHO. MHO, OHM is ohm, and reverse is MHO, Mho. So, Mho is the unit of conductance. So, conductance is also denoted by Siemens. Now, a specific resistance. The resistance of any conductor or electrolyte is directly proportional to the length and inversely proportional to cross-sectional area A. That means R resistance is directly proportional to the length of the conductor, and resistance is inverse of area of cross section of the conductor. So combining both 1 and 2, we will get R is directly proportional to L by A, or R is equal to rho into L by A. If proportionality is removed, then constant rho is introduced, and this rho is called a specific resistance. So what are the units of rho, a specific resistance? So rho is equal to R into A divided by L. So R, the unit of R resistance is ohm, A is area, it is centimeter square, L is length, so it is centimeter. So centimeter and centimeter cancelled, we get only ohm centimeter. So the unit of a specific resistance is ohm centimeter. Now see the next one, it is a specific conductance. So reciprocal of a specific resistance is called a specific conductance. It is denoted by capital K, it is called kappa. So we have already discussed about the specific resistance. So reciprocal of a specific resistance is called a specific conductance. So K is equal to 1 by rho. We know that rho is equal to R into A by L. Now putting this value in equation 1. So we will put rho instead of this here. So in equation 1. So K is equal to 1 by R, 1 by R into A by L. So it will becomes 1 by R into L by A. So L by A is also denoted by J star. Here J star is called cell constant. So a specific conductance K is equal to C into G star. In case of electrolytic solution placed in a cell, a specific conductance may be defined as it is the conductance of 1 centimeter cube of the solution of an electrolyte. That means 1 centimeter cube is taken, and there inside that some conducting material electrolytes are taken and current is passed. So it is called conductance. Unit of a specific conductance is per ohm centimeter. It is also written per ohm per centimeter or Siemens per centimeter. Thank you.